Hey, I'm Gary from Hydroponics, York Springs, Pennsylvania. Just want to do a quick video here about our 1-inch bulkheads and 3/4 inch bulkheads. I've been using this brand for many years. It has worked great, but about a half a year ago, I think that my manufacturer ran out of them for a little while, and then we got a bunch back in. And then we had a few calls of people having some seal up problems with these, not sealing up. And trying to figure that out, I thought it was the rubber grommet on them, the rubber washer, but what it ended up being was when they make the mold here, it's like two halves, and there's a seam running down here, and on the very back where the washer hits, some of these have like a little raised piece of plastic. So when you put the washer on, it doesn't sit properly with the washer, and then you get a little drip. So I've been trying to figure out what to do. It's not all of them, and it's very few people having this problem, but it drove me crazy for a little while trying to figure out why some people are having it and others aren't. You can take a razor knife. If you find, inspect yours when you get them. I can't go open all these packs up. If you find one that is sticking out, you can just shave that off, shave it down to where it should be, and then you should have a lot easier of a seal time. I am going to be switching to a different brand of these. I've been messing around with the Active Aqua brand. This one has no line at all and is very smooth. It has one rubber washer, which you put that on the inside of the bucket, and it should seal up just fine. We've tested these, and I actually probably should have used these from the get-go. They also have a bigger backside, so when it goes to flatten out the bucket, it will flatten out easier. Put your washer on the inside, and then put this plastic piece on the outside of your bucket, and since it's plastic against plastic on the bucket, it flattens the bucket out a lot easier instead of having that rubber washer there that kind of gives a little bit. So rubber washer on the inside, and you should be good. I'm gonna be probably switching 3/4 over to these two. I just think they're built way better. The barbs on them are really nice and big too, so they should seal up on the tubing. The 1/2-inch ones, I haven't had any issues, or at least I haven't had anybody telling me there's been issues with these, so we're probably gonna stick with those unless we hear anything else. But yeah, I just wanted to update you on what's going on with that. You guys, thanks for everything. We've been busy here trying to keep up with everything. I try to get to the comments all I can, but I mean, our main priority is get the orders out as fast as we can and to do more videos. So we got a lot more on the way, but I just wanted to show you that in case anybody is having any issues with these things sealing up. So just check that little group there. Have a good one. I'm Gary from PA Hydroponics, and we'll be doing some more videos soon. Peace.